Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to export a long video in CapCut PC. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your CapCut application and then choose or create any project you want. After that, you need to export any video file or create any project. And then, as you can see, I have a pretty long video. Your video may be much longer, but it actually doesn't matter. So how can you export your video in the fastest way? So you need to click on the export button at the top right corner. And then here, first of all, you need to enter any name you want. Then a folder where you want to export this file to, and after that here next to the video heading you need to click on this little dot show. After that you need to choose first of all resolution. I recommend you to choose the highest resolution to have the best quality. Then bitrate recommended, for example. Then codec, I suggest you to choose this codec H.264 because it's the most common compression method. After that, a format, MP4 for example, and then frame rate, I usually choose 30 FPS. So after that, you need to click on the export button, and then after a few minutes your video will be exported to that folder. So, and that's how to export a long video in CapCut PC. So if you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.